Huh?
Like it's kind of evening out.
Yeah, it do seem like it got a hard little vibrate. We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video, guys. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Back again with another video. In today's video, we're about to check out some cars. We got my boy Bruce. I don't know where he at. I was hollering at him, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into it. It's raining out here, man. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Let's get it, guys. So, boom, first up here. I think this one got like 300,000 on it. It did crank. It did. Oh, it got a check engine light. But with 300,000, man, I'm not even gonna mess with it, I don't think. ...2007 model. Yeah, I'm good. Just 300,000, man. We not gonna mess with it, y'all. I'm just gonna play it safe. Now let's see. We got a black Avalanche somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. Trying to watch the puddles, y'all. Trying to watch the puddles. Oh, there go that green Charger too. Oh, real quick. In today's video, I might have a treat for you guys. Actually, I'm gonna tell y'all. A little later. Where the heck is the car at? But we looking good, man. It's looking good. See what we got. ...2004 model. Avalanche. Got the tow hitch on it. Ooh, watch out, watch out. We're gonna make it pretty fast today, y'all, so we can like run through. Raggedy T. Keep moving from the raggedy whips. What I do with my umbrella, y'all? Alright, right there. Alright, we're gonna look at this real quick. Should be a green and then a Sentra somewhere. Oh, boom. Sentra right here. Yeah, Sentra. Hold up, y'all. I'm trying to get this stuff right. $143 on the miles, 2006. Damn, they got $425 on this right now. Damn. A little bump right there. This one dirty as ever. All right, y'all. They got $3,000 on this car right here. 3 bands. It's a 2019. It got 55,000 miles on it. think this is a V6. Sound good, but this is a V6, I believe. Let me see, because they only got 3 grand on it. But that damage pretty bad back here. The wheel bent, all of that. Bumper. Yup, V6. Sound like you got a little muffler on there or something though, don't it? Man, I brought this umbrella and don't even really need it out here today. All right. Also want to check out this blue Sentra right here. What y'all think about that green though? Got the blue Sentra. No problem this way. All right, let me see if I can find this car. Be right back, guys. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there go my boy Bruce, man. Make sure y'all follow him on YouTube, Phantom Mobiles on YouTube. Checking out the car. I was gonna check out that one, but he can have it. How that one looking? That's all right. Geo. How that one looking? Is all right. Camaro. Yeah, some of these. Huh?
Like it's kind of evening out.
Yeah, it do seem like you got a hard little vibrate. But sometimes these cars, these little small cars be like that.
Yeah, you look at cars though.
The Geo? Oh, Toyota motor. Look alright though.
I had one before. I almost had 300,000 miles on it.
Want one of these?
Yeah, they still riding this thing.
Damn.
Those are one of the people that never paid for their tag.
Wow.
They still riding that tip tag. That was
Damn. Oh, I remember that.
yeah.
I remember that. I remember that.
The hood on it.
Yeah, I remember that. Make sure it don't smoke though. I mean, I see a little oil, but it might not, you know. Yeah, valve cover. Break that umbrella. I got a little smoke back there.
Yeah.
It stink.
I don't know about this one, man.
Yeah.
It's clean, brand new battery. Oil is like they just did a oil change.
I don't know. I would let it, because you can see the oil. So if you're gonna mess with it, I would let it warm up for sure, all the way, and then just see if you know, make sure it don't smoke. If you wanted to mess with it, I'll just make sure. I mean, but unless you don't care about it smoking, you can just change the valve cover gasket like you said.
Oh, that? Yeah, I ain't worried about that. It is more so that's looking like a tailpipe. You smell it, right?
Yeah, I do.
You smell like. You know, chicken works in this. It's kind of evened out now that it's been running.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I say let it warm up. But shit,
don't feel it. Like, it's
not that bad. I mean, these cars, I feel what you're saying, but you know what else do this? What's them cars called? The Saturns. like the Saturn SL1, SL2, the little bitty 4-door Saturns, they also in the interior like make a lot of noise too. But yeah, let me finish this up real quick. Finish this up, guys. So couple of more cars to look at. Let my partner have that one, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to his channel. I'm looking for something from what am I looking for, bro? I don't even know. Oh, there go my Buick. Is this it? Set the umbrella right here real quick. Damn. Still with 80,000 miles. Yeah, it's a possible rollover, so like it might not be the correct miles on here. I hear it idling kind of crazy. Yeah, nah, man. Yeah, it's like idling in and out. I ain't gonna mess with it. Alright, y'all. So that was a no-go. You got two, I think you got that Altima there. And oh, they got that M3. This M3 was I think, yeah, it was for sale. Oh no, it is for sale actually. But just tow up from the flow up. I love these wheels, man. I don't know why I like these wheels on like this type of car right here. I'm not sure if those are even the factory wheels, but I be seeing similar wheels on the BMWs like this. The carbon fiber top. I think that is carbon fiber related. These are nice. Like this is my type of ride right here. You see how it's like you can sit in this mug and just like go. Well, not the stick shift, but you got the carbon fiber up here. Yeah, it's cool though. All right, let's see though. I have to bring that umbrella back out. So we got a Nissan Altima. Never crazy about the Altimas, but let's see. And let me tell y'all what just went ahead and happened. So I did end up winning the that Buick. Y'all remember the Buick that I had been trying to win for like ever? What was that? I thought I seen something there. I remember the blue. It's dirty, nasty. But anyway, if y'all remember the Buick that I won, I finally did win it. The one from Copart. Finally did win that Buick, man. 2004 Buick Century. I remember I kept winning the car for like I won it for $1,000 the first time, which was they should have took that. Then I won it for $725. Then I won it for $6 something. So I won the car like 4 times, man. They didn't give it to me, but today they finally gave it to me. So we're gonna go and get that, man. So your boy Big Play Ray done won a vehicle. All right, y'all, but I did win the car. Y'all stay tuned to the next video. I don't feel like bringing out the phone and showing all of that right now, but y'all stay tuned to the next video. That boy's still down there. Maybe I'll go down there with my partner real quick, see what he got going on. He'll probably walk down here. All right, y'all, we made it back over here. My boy Phantom still checking the car out, guys. So he's still deciding on if he want to mess with it or not. I will show y'all the inside real quick. It is clean, and I will show y'all the car that I won real quick, as a matter of fact. Might as well, right? If I can get in my phone. You don't like the shaking.
You can smell like the smoke smells. That smoke?
Yeah, that smoke. Yeah. The tailpipe do smell. All right, y'all. You're not messing with it. Let me show y'all what I won, though. So y'all remember that car, man. But again, guys, make sure y'all follow my boy Phantom Mobiles, guys. He said he's gonna pass on this one, and it's gonna be a wrap for this one, y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, y'all. I will be picking up the next video y'all see. I will be picking up the Buick, so y'all wish me luck on that. Like I say, that car been in there for months now, and I won the car for the 4th time. This is my 4th time winning the car, so I'll catch y'all on the next one. About to be a long day, but I'm actually probably gonna get the car today, but y'all gonna get the video tomorrow. So shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. It's boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm out.